continuing on with what we were doing, so I want to have these be simplified first. That's the first thing you always do. Simplify each to see if there's anything that's alike. And so this can be broken down into the square root of 9 times the square root of 2, because we know the square root of 9. And so whenever you're breaking these down, I know that this could have also been broke down into 6 times 3, but I don't know the square root of either one of those numbers. So whenever you're thinking about, oh, what makes 18, you're looking for a number that you can find the square root of it. And that's how I decided on 9 and 2. So the square root of 9 is 3. So 5 times 3, so I get 15 square root of 2. And over here, I know the square root of 25. So I'm going to choose that. 10 and 5 wouldn't work because we can't find the square root of either one of those. So square root of 25 is 5. That's going to come on the outside. Square root of 2 stays on the inside because we don't know it. So again, look, we have like terms. So we know our answer is going to have square root of 2 because for addition and subtraction, what's alike stays alike in the answer. And then we'll do 15 plus 5, which is 20. Not too bad, huh? Okay, so this one here has a little bit more to it because it now is including the letters along with the numbers. And again, we simplify first, then decide if it can be done. And so we look for cube roots here. I don't know the cube root of 3, but I do. Remember, we're looking for sets of things that are cubed. Well, right here we have an x cubed. So it turns out we have one set of those. And here we have y to the third and y to the second, because that can be broken down. We can say I have one set of y to the third here. So I'll bring that out. And then what I have left inside, the parts I couldn't solve, there we go. So now we'll come over on the other side and see if there's anything we can do here. I can't find the cube root of anything here. So let's look and see what we have. Sure enough, we have like terms. They both have 3y squared inside, and they both have an index of 3. So we can say we can say xy plus 5 and put those together. And those are times these radicals. Now up here, it said 20 times the square root of 2. We just set them next to each other and they're being multiplied. But notice if I just set this here and the way we did up there, it's only going to be multiplying the 5. So because we want it to multiply the whole set, we're going to make sure we put parentheses around it. So our next page is for multiplication. And I think I'll just make a new video for that one because we'll run out of time before we get finished with that one.